Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 3. JVZoo Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to give you a detailed overview of the JVZoo marketplace step by step. So let's get started. So this is the home page of JVZoo and you can see its official logo here. Below it is written Selling, Sell More with Us, and a Start Selling More Today button. On the top right, we have About, Features, Your Purchases, Log in and Start for free buttons. Below we have their integration partners: Payoneer, Aweber, Stripe, PayPal, Slack, GetResponse. Then, Instant Affiliate Program with more than 800,000 active affiliates. Then we have Never Pay for Bad Traffic Again. Next is Affiliate Payments Made Easy, and then Sellers Benefits and Affiliates Benefits. Then Automated Affiliate Payments, pay when you make a sale, then more benefits. Next is Worried About Regulations. We've got you covered. Staying on top of new rules, regulations and keeping your offers compliant is extremely important. JVZoo puts compliance front and center. Then, JVZoo is fully compliant with FTC, GDPR, CASL, ACMA, PCI, SCA. Next, what it means for sellers. Your offers will be in good company with all other network offers being compliant. You won't be associated with any bad apples that can ruin your reputation. You won't risk losing your merchant account due to lack of compliance. Next, for affiliates. Only promote fully compliant offers you can be confident in recommending. Don't risk your good reputation with your subscribers and followers. Stop worrying whether promoting an offer will randomly punish you. And we have the Get Started button. Then, the lights are always on at JVZoo. Helping you succeed is our #1 priority. That's why our support desk is manned by real people 365 days a year. This means they have 24/7 active support. Next, it is an affiliate platform made for everyone, including affiliate marketers, software developers, info marketers, membership sites, product creators. Then their customers' testimonials, after that their FAQ section, and at last we have Start for Free button just like on top. So this is the overview of the JVZoo marketplace. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 4. ClickBank Overview. In that video, we are going to give you a detailed overview of the ClickBank marketplace, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.